Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to start a new tax return on Turbotax. Alright, this is going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic at all. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now, the first step, of course, is going to be to log into your Turbotax account. So go ahead and log into your Turbotax account using your email address and your password on Turbotax website. Now, once you're logged into your account, you're going to click on Start a New Return button, and that's going to help you. That's going to begin a new tax return. Next, you're going to select your tax year for which you want to, file your return. And once that's done, you're going to choose your filing status. So go ahead and choose your filing status, including, single, married, filing jointly, or, head of household. Just go ahead and choose your filing status. Next, you're going to enter your personal information. So go ahead and enter your personal information, including, your name, your address, and your social security number. Next, you're going to answer tax-related questions. So this is where you provide answers to tax-related questions, including your income, your deductions, and your credit, and all of that is going to help you to start a new tax return. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to start a new tax return on Turbotax. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.